Hello my people, welcome to the channel, I'm David, your host, and you're watching E-Travel TV. We travel, you'll see. Yeah man, long time we don't see we, but we're still hustling and grinding, dep on the hustle and bustle. Thank you for tuning in. I want all you guys to check out my previous videos and just let you know that we will be getting back in the groove with some sports play-by-play and stuff on the channel. So guys, get ready for that. NBA is coming down to the grid. Yeah guys, yeah man, so we are here, just giving you guys a view of the place. You see what's going on. Yeah man, and remember to subscribe to the channel, like and share, and just thank you guys. 2024, yeah, we have to give thanks. 2024, brand new year, brand new plans, hopes and dreams. Yeah, so just have to do what we have to do. Respect, give thanks to everybody. Yeah, big up, It's Saturday, guys. Yes, it's Saturday. Another week is complete today. So, we have to give thanks. Always give thanks in everything we do, even though sometimes we might feel frustrated in life. But we know we have to give thanks for the simple things, Yeah, my people. All is well, and I'm walking in Maplewood, New Jersey. What a difference. We're on the work vibes, Saturday morning work vibes, Yeah, Saturday. You see now? Yeah man. Yes my people. Yeah, E-Travel TV. We travel we see. So we're in New Jersey, people. And just giving you a look at my workplace. Yeah, big up to everybody. Thank you for all the support. Continue to tune in and watch the videos. A lot of travel vlogs, you see the trucks. So when we're out there, people, snowstorm happening right now. You know how it go. So we in the snow. Big up everybody. Thank you for watching E-Travel TV, We Travel UC. Check it out my people. Snow. Big storm like one, Yeah man. Yeah, the whole place snow out. Yeah, the whole place snow out. People, snowstorm. Today it's the 13th of February 2024. Maplewood.